tukusaba Mukama okwimirira munaffe mu linnya erya Mukama waffe Yesu. Katonda omulungi, Katonda ayinza byonna, ekigambo kyo yemere namweva gy'oli Mukama. Era Bayibuli egambye nti obuntu bw'ekigambo Mukama wange Taata kakitugase kiyimirire wamu naffe, tukiwulire ate tukitambuliremu. Katonda omulungi, kituwanguza yonna gye tuyita, kituwanguza yonna gye tubeera. Mukama ayinza byonna, ekigambo kyo kiramu, ekigambo kyo kiramu. Era olina enteekateeka ennungi n'ebirowoozo ebirungi eby'obulamu bwaffe, tuleme okuwangulibwa mu linnya erya Yesu. Naye nga mikono gyo ng'omwana wo sirina kyenyinza Taata, naye wooli Mukama amanyi nti byonna bisoboka. Yakweyimire wamu nange mu kaseera kano Taata, otukozese mu maanyi ag'Omwoyo Omutukuvu. Ekitiibwa n'ettendo nkiddiza Katonda mu linnya lya Yesu. Haleluya. Omusingi ogusimbyewa era omusingi gwo guli ludda wa?
Where have you planted your foundation? And where is your foundation? In this world where we move through, we need to plant a foundation. We need to move at the foundation. Whenever you plant that foundation that is not okay, the situation shall put you away. Whenever you plant your foundation when it shakes, by the time you rotate around, we shall not hear from you. No, Satan is looking for you. Know that the enemy is looking for you. But if I have planted my foundation when it is strong, the enemy shall not overcome you. Even you, the enemy shall not overcome you. What you need to know upon again, the enemy looks for you in what you like most. What you like most. That's where the devil searches for you. We see Samson. He was a mighty man. He overcame. They shook him. He overcame. But now the enemy reasoned for him what he wanted most. He sent a lady. This lady was so beautiful. I know she was made properly. The situation is going to come beautiful before you. And you see you're the only one. And you say, God, forgive me. Brethren, never bow down before that situation. You're going to die in that situation. When Samson bowed down before Delilah, he was overcame. This lady, she spoke many words. At the end, this lady took information from Samson. When we read the Bible, we see that Samson died in the evil. He was overcame. Be careful wherever you are. Be careful at the work. The situation is going to come. It will not be big before you because you have the great one. Accidents are existing, but God will never leave you. God is with us. When we read at Samson, we see that Samson, he died lacking his eyes. But at the end of all, he turned and told God that this last chance, give me the power so I may die with these people. For that situation that whenever you are overcame, whenever you bow before that situation, you're going to die together with that situation. But let's believe God. Whenever we pray, He hears. Because He is saying, call to me, and I shall answer you. That situation that is afflicting you, that situation that is not going to bow down before you, I'm requesting you, brethren, don't worship it. Believe that God is with you. Overcome the situation for that one